Hola, ¿qué tal? Soy Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the vocabulary at the airport. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Muchas gracias. Vocabulary at the airport is quite simple, but of course, if one is in Spain and doesn't understand the language, no matter how simple it is, it's going to cause frustration. So I hope this video helps you understand a bit better the vocabulary at the airport. Some words I'll repeat a few times throughout this class. Let's begin. So the first thing we are going to do is buy the tickets. Comprar los billetes. To take a flight. Tomar un vuelo. Coger un vuelo o coger un avión. We tend to say the last two more often. Direct flight. Vuelo directo. Layover or stopover. Vuelo con escala. The day of our flight, we will head to the airport, aeropuerto, then we'll go to the terminal, terminal. Once at the airport, we'll look for departures, salidas. If we are picking up someone, we'll have to look for arrivals, llegadas. Once we are in salidas, we'll look for the check-in, facturación de equipaje o maletas. Your suitcase, maleta, might be heavier than expected, so they could say, your luggage is over 20 kilos. Tu equipaje sobrepasa los 20 kilos. You have to pay a fee. Tienes que pagar un sobrecargo. If you like, you can put some stuff in your hand luggage. Puedes poner algo en la maleta de mano. Then we'll head to security. Control de seguridad. Liquids aren't permitted. No se permiten líquidos. We will need our passport. Pasaporte and boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque. After this, we'll go to the gate. Puerta de embarque, where you'll have to show your boarding pass. Tarjeta de embarque o billete. Don't forget your hand luggage. Equipaje de mano. Then we'll start to board the plane. Subir al avión. If you are landing in Spain, then you'll need to know words like customs, aduana, baggage claim, recogida de maletas o recogida de equipaje. If you feel confident enough and wish to know if the plane is leaving on time, you can ask, ¿sale a tiempo? Or if you want to know if it's delayed, you can ask, ¿va con retraso? To take off is despegar. To land is aterrizar. I'll give you an example. The plane is going to take off within 5 minutes. El avión va a despegar dentro de 5 minutos. The plane is going to land within 5 minutes. El avión va a aterrizar dentro de 5 minutos. So, we call our hand luggage maleta de mano o equipaje de mano. But if it's a small bag or a little rucksack, we call it mochila. Well done! I hope this video helps you to get the vocabulary you need at the airport. Thank you all for watching and feliz vuelo! Have a nice flight. Hasta luego. Adiós.